Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a very healthy sprouted moong dal dosa and tasty red bell pepper chutney. Let's get started. I have taken yellow moong dal and urad dal 3 tablespoons each. Nicely washed them and I will be soaking it for 30 to 45 minutes. This is green moong dal which is sprouted. I soaked it overnight and sprouted it for 2 days. That's how I got this long sprouts. Health benefits are innumerable and it also tastes really very good. Instead of having rice dosa or any other type of dosa, this is the most healthiest way of having dosa. I have added the sprouted moong dal and yellow moong dal and urad dal to the blender with half glass of water, and to that I have added ginger, green chili, dry red chilies and cumin. Also I am adding 1 small chopped onions and a bunch of coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend it to a fine paste and the batter will be ready. The fine smooth batter is now ready. It is nice thick in consistency. I am transferring it into another bowl. To that I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. Mix them well. At this point you can also check the salt. If you taste it is less, you can add more salt. Now keep it aside. Let's work on the chutney. This bell pepper chutney is very delicious and tasty and also healthier too. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. To that I am adding half a teaspoon of urad dal and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. To that I am adding 3 dry red chilies and few curry leaves. And I am taking 6 cloves of garlic. You can increase or decrease according to your choice. Even red chilies you can adjust according to the spice level you like. I am adding 1 small onions chopped. Nicely fry them together until the raw smell of garlic and onions is gone. Nicely fry them. To that I am adding 1 small tomato chopped and 1 large red bell pepper. Mix them well. To this I am adding kokum. You can add tamarind. I like kokum the more. Kokum has lot of health benefits. They are innumerable. You can search for it. I always replace kokum with tamarind. You can use tamarind instead. I am just adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. To that I am adding half glass of water and cooking it covered for 5 to 10 minutes. Now all tomato, bell pepper, onions nice soft and tender. It's completely cooled and I'm going to blend it into fine paste. The chutney is ready. This delicious red bell pepper chutney is very tasty, which can always be served with idli, dosa or even chapati. I have given nice coconut oil tempering, little bit of tempering. It's a very common tempering what I have given. Only curry leaves and mustard in coconut oil. Now we'll make the dosa. I just grease the tawa. Spread the batter evenly, rolling on same side. Drizzle some oil and cook it with covered lid just for 3 minutes. Now flip it and fry for just 2 minutes again. You can prepare the moong sprouts ahead of time and store it in your fridge, and you can prepare it anytime. Nowadays, even in a lot of supermarkets, we can find the sprouts. If you're finding difficult in sprouting, you can also use those sprouts. It's a very, very healthy and delicious dosa. You can also serve it with coconut chutney or sambar. I have chosen this delicious red bell pepper chutney. Hope you all like it. Do try and leave the comment below. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.